Hello kids, welcome to Fun with Nawab. Action words for kids. Walk, walk. Run, run. Ride, ride. Sit, sit. Stand, stand. Fight, fight. Laugh, laugh. Read, read. Play, play. Listen, listen. Cry, cry. Think, think. Sing, sing. Watch, watch. Dance, dance. On, on. Off, off. Right, right. Open, open. Close, close. Sleep, sleep. Throw away, throw away. Cut, cut. Fly, fly. Give, give. Jump, jump. Eat, eat. Drink, drink. Cook, cook. Wash, wash. Talk, talk. Push, push. Pull, pull. Climb, climb. Wait, wait. Swim, swim. Speak, speak. Build, build. Create, create. Paint, paint. Drive, drive. Hug, hug. Kiss, kiss. Teach, teach. Exercise, exercise. Clap, clap. Squeeze, squeeze. Press, press. Crawl, crawl. Ride, ride. Bath, bath. Catch, catch. Throw, throw. See, see. Kick, kick. Dig, dig. Break, break. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.